My name is Bethany Gubler, and I graduated from the Welding Essentials program here at Southwest Tech. I had been working at FedEx. I've worked in there for 2 years, loved it, but I was working just for insurance. My husband was the main income. In the middle of June 2020, my husband ended up having to leave the family for a time, and it was incredibly scary. Being a single mom with 4 kids, making $400 a month. And I just decided one day that I have to figure it out. And so I thought, okay, well, I need to find something that's going to work. I was so just defeated, even just going through those job listings. And I stumbled across a post from a place down in Hurricane that was looking for a welder. And I thought, well, I wonder what a welder makes. I had no idea. I clicked on the post and I thought, okay, maybe I could do that. Maybe that's something I could do. What does it take to be a welder? Had no idea. So then I started, looking up, welding courses, and Southwest Tech popped up, and I thought, okay. I came to Southwest Tech almost 10 years ago to do the phlebotomy course, which was awesome. And so I thought, okay, well, I've done it once, maybe I can go back and do it again.
Miss Bethany is amazing. We adore her so very much.
As a student, she was engaged, she was always here. She never let any of her personal circumstances, take over.
I was both shocked and amazed that it was kind of one of those things where you can start whenever. The more I looked into it, the more perfect it was, and I had never welded before, ever. Really left with no other viable options. It's like, you know what? I'm gonna make this work. And so I did.
More importantly, it was really hard to have a bad time when she was around. If you were upset or angry or went into a conversation with her kind of caught up in something, she had a way of putting it in perspective that made you go, oh, things are okay. Everything will be all right. And just kind of laughing about it and be like, oh, yeah, that was messy, but we'll move on.
She could do anything she wanted to do, easily.
Jim had mentioned to me on more than one occasion that I need to go apply at HCR. He saw a potential in me that I didn't recognize even in myself.
She went from, just starting out to exceeding expectations, and she's got a great work ethic and she's doing great.
I love it. I love my job. I absolutely love it. To be able to inspire my kids to try something and to do something, and for them to want to follow, in mom's footsteps, and to be excited, like I was excited to come home and show them, look what mom did in school, and wow, I don't know what I'm looking at, but that's really cool, and then for my son now to come home and say, Mom, look what I did, and then to be able to sit and talk to him about it, is so awesome. If their old mom can do it, maybe they can too. So I love it. I absolutely love it. That feeling you get when you know that you're in the right place, that you made the right decision, and that you're not only bettering yourself, but you're bettering yourself for your family. Even if it's, maybe not the most common thing for a woman to do or a man to do, or something, it's, if it's a male-dominated field and you want to go into auto mechanics as a woman, do it. Absolutely do it. I was forced well outside of my comfort zone, and I'm so glad that happened, because I don't know if I would be here. My experience here at Southwest Tech has been absolutely amazing, and I wouldn't trade it for anything.